bottom and follow through. You got that?
You're wasting your time, Raggy.
Just wait a second.
Like this?
Yeah, you got it. Jax!
I actually didn't mean to do that.
Are you alright, Gangle?
Ow!
Why do you always gotta do this?
What? I just said it was an accident.
You are unbelievable.
Hey, Gangle. I think I found something you might like.
Alright, of course.
I don't know if it'll work, but it's the same shape as yours.
Oh.
Best part is it's plastic, so it won't break as easily. Try it on. How's it feel?
It feels normal. Like in a good way.
That's good, right?
Yeah. Thank you, Zooble.
The heck is this? You just giving away parts now?
So what if I am? I'm not giving any to you.
Darn. Guess you're never getting that unicorn horn, Pomni.
When did I ever say anything about that?
I think you'd look good with one.
Well, it's possible. No?